everybody! Welcome back to Maths. Today we are making equal groups by grouping objects. Now we're going to start by using these teddy bears here. Let's see how many teddy bears we've got, shall we? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 teddy bears. I first want to put them into groups of 2. Are you ready? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's always one that falls over. And 1, 2. How many groups of 2 have I got from 10? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've made 5 equal groups out of 10. Let's put them back together. Now I want to make groups of 5. So how many groups can I make? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had 10. I've grouped them into 5s. How many groups have I got? 1, 2. I've got 2 groups of 5. Let's squish them back together one more time. Now I want to make a group of 10. How many groups would I have? 1. I'd have 1 group of 10. Fantastic. You are so good at doing this by now. Let's make it a bit harder for you. So, here come the yellow teddy bears. Here they come. They're marching in. Boom, 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 boom. So we've got 10 orange ones. Let's add some more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I've got 20 teddy bears. I want to group them into groups of 2 again. So let me put them all back here. Groups of 2, are you ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I made 10 groups. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I had 20 teddy bears and I split them into groups of 2 and I had 10 groups at the end. Okay, let's squish them all back together. Ready? Woo! Now I want to put them into groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's always one that falls over every time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had 20 and I've grouped them now into 5s. Let's see how many groups we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 5. And let's squish them together one more time. Ready? Woo! Now I want to group them into, guess what? 10s. So, groups of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He tried to run away, but there's still 10. 10. So how many groups have we got? 1, 2. 2 groups of 10. 2 groups of 10 make 10, 20. Fantastic. You are so good at this now. I'm so proud of you. Well done. Here's the first activity. So let me move my teddies out of the way. You will need some paper. So let me get my paper out because I'm going to do it with you. And you'll need a pencil, like this. And actually, we're going to be counting some pencils. So here's my pencils. Let me count how many I've got for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 pencils in my mug. Now I want you to draw my 10 pencils in groups of 2. So I start with 10. can you draw on your piece of paper 10 pencils but put them into groups of 2? And then I'll show you what mine look like and we'll see if we match. Off you go. A little tip, I'm just going to draw lines a bit like pencils. I'll give you a little bit longer just to draw them. Okay, let me show you mine. So, I had 10 pencils and I wanted to group them into groups of 2. So let me show you what I did and then we'll see if we match. So, put 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Could I count in 2s to check, do you think? I think I can. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So all together, I've got 10 pencils. So how many groups have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you've got 5 groups of 2, you can give yourself a big tick like that. Okay, time for our super challenge. Now I'm feeling really, really generous. So if you complete this challenge today, you can have 20 dojo. How about that? Okay, are you ready? Here comes the challenge. So, your challenge is find 20 objects and group them into 2s, and then 5s, and then 10s. And when you've done it, make sure you send me a picture. And if you've completed it, you get 20 challenge dojos. I'll read it one more time for you. So it says, find 20 objects and group them into 2s, and then 5s, and then 10s. Send me a picture and you can have your dojos.